Oh my god guys, you know what? I love my spice, but this is pretty hot for me. This is what I call a spicy tofu sambal. Let's pour in some oil. Now you need extra firm tofu or firm tofu at least for this recipe. Now we're gonna pan fry this till all sides are slightly golden brown. There we go, this is the color that we want. Now our tofu is done, we're just gonna push this to the side. Don't turn down the heat because here's where we're gonna add in our onions. The next thing, we're gonna add in our Mak Tok's fire chili paste. We're gonna add 1 big tablespoon. Mix this around. Now while you're doing that, try to turn down the heat to low. We're gonna be adding a bit of water. The next ingredient, which is some pineapple. Pineapple is gonna give this dish a nice tangy sweetness to it. We're gonna add in our cafe lime leaf. Give this a good stir. Amazing. Next, we're gonna be adding in our soy sauce. Before I finish the dish, I'm gonna be adding in another dollop of fire chili paste. There we go. This is our dish. Before we finish it, let's garnish it with some coriander. To the favorite part of my video, time to tuck in. I'm gonna try it with some warm white rice over here. Wow guys, it's hot. Oh my god guys, you know what? I love my spice, but this is pretty hot for me. And it's got like a nice sweetness and smokiness from the fire chili paste. The tofu gives it a nice meaty texture to it. And then you've got like a citrusy fragrance from the kaffir lime leaf that brings out the entire character of this dish. Now today we made our spicy sambal tofu. If you know anybody who loves their spice, you should share this recipe with them. And if you've got any questions or suggestions, just leave them in the comments down below. I'll see you next time. Jumpa lagi!